everyone. Tomorrow in class, we'll be going over our Flowers for Algernon debate, and you need to be prepared to defend both sides. This slide will help prepare you to defend animal testing. On this slide, you'll find 3 different research articles. I do want you to read all 3. The first article goes over the intelligence of the raven and how scientists have used the intelligence to help humans. The second article here, how has animal testing helped humans, actually goes over many different ways that animal testing has helped humans. And the final article discusses heart transplants taken from pigs that have been genetically modified to work in human hearts. Be ready to argue for animal testing. You can discuss with your classmates how some animal testing has indeed saved human lives. And really focus in on your audience. Try to pull on their heartstrings a bit. Remember to put themselves in the shoes of the people whose lives have been saved. So, what if it was their loved one receiving a hand transplant or a heart transplant or a kidney transplant that was a result of animal testing? Or what if animal testing could break through on a new disease that was coming out? So, really go through the articles and be prepared to create your argument. On the next slide, there's a sheet here for you to list your brainstorming ideas. You will have time to warm up before you take both sides of the debate. So prior to you arguing for animal testing, you'll have a moment to look at these slides. And then, of course, you want to consider the animal argument. The students arguing against you are going to ask which animals it's fair to test, which restrictions, if any, seem fair. What if it was your pet that they needed for research? Would that change your mind? What if an animal was hurt in the process and animals subjected to animal testing may be hurt in pain or even die? So be prepared to have a rebuttal for these arguments and make sure that your arguments are not just emotional, but they're also based in some of the articles that you have read. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, give me an email.